I think these kids can really make an impact in all different parts of the world.
I will change the world by bringing STEM jobs to developing countries.
I will provide emergency care for the less fortunate.
It's important that kids have the skills to operate in this world, and the FIRST program helps prepare them for that.
We've encountered many challenges with this, but we come together, we discuss the problem, and then we go back and we try to fix it.
I can't even fathom what these kids are gonna go out and do.
FIRST taught me what it meant to be an engineer, which is what led me to start my first company and get to where we are today.
I am a leader.
I am a network engineer.
I am a scientist.
I am FIRST.
I am FIRST.
I am FIRST.
I am FIRST.
And I'm just getting started.